Durbycour Z55 Installation Guide. This video walks through how to install smart device in your car and set up the device. Preparing your smart device. Package includes smart device main unit, rear camera, motorcycle TPMS tire pressure sensor, and wired controller. Mount the stand and install smart device on your motorcycle with accessories included in the box. Connect different colors of wires and water resistance connectors. Install tire pressure sensor on your motorcycle tires. Now, you can start pairing your smart device. Durbycour Z55. Activating with CarPlay device. Connect your phone's Bluetooth, select CarKit XXXX. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on CarPlay interface to use CarPlay. Durbycour Z55. Activating with smart device for iOS system. You can use Siri or Google Assistant to control GPS navigation, take calls, play music, and other contents. Hey Siri, music. Hey Siri, go to Los Angeles. TPMS tire pressure system provides real-time tire pressure information. Durbycour Z55. Activating with smart device for Android system. You can use Google Assistant to control GPS navigation, take calls, play music, and other contents. Connect and play music through AUX, or simply play it through device built-in speakers. Durbycour connects you.